Okay, we're going on our little bird hunt. Turn it up. We'll just have music behind. Headed to the bridge. There it is, fellas. This is for you, Dick, Earl, and Lyle. I try to get you guys all at tape of this whole thing. Somehow, as soon as I figure out how it works. I got it from the kid. Jake gave it to me. We're going to try to make it work. There's our bridge, boys. There's Manny, old cruising. We won't know if I'm moving around too fast or not until we check it out. Got the boats out. Mackinac still busy. I don't know how the Felzon boys did it, but somehow they got all the way to the top of that thing and opened the door and went out on top of the bridge. They know the people that paint this bridge. And they went up the tower and looked out from the top. We might be 1 or 2 weeks too late for most of the colors, but there was a little snow in Grayling area, a little bit. Of course, we stopped at Jay's, didn't have time to look around at all, but it looks good. We might hit it on the way back. It's making us drive the grates. Tried this on the motorcycle. Looks like they replaced a lot of the grates. Hope they're welded in. Or we're going scuba diving early. Hope this camera's waterproof. Most of my shit'll float. I'll look for Manny after I get my shotgun.
Yeah.
I know there's only a few of us that appreciate some of this, and we know who we are. Highway 2, just a little bit before Escanaba and all that. Doesn't look like many people on the beach. The weather still seems to be okay. Temperature around 39 degrees. And they should clear it here in a minute. We got stopped at this. This is that bridge that everybody looks off of, that you should see all the colors. I'm hoping I push this thing right. Yeah, it's going. I'll shut it off because it looks like we're going to be here a while. It looks like the cars are just starting to get here. Kill you. Wouldn't want to be sitting here in the dark with your lights off. Dick, Earl, and Lyle, this is the Lehman Road now. We're just looking for that little sign to cut into going towards the yellow fence. I'll start filming it as soon as we get off that trail. And we got the yellow right here. Let's see. Put the wipers on, Manny. Okay. We don't know how this is filming, but we're headed towards that yellow fence. In the bridge, we're going to cross the bridge first. Still looks okay. Don't forget we got a trailer back there. Just past the bridge. Still looks the same. They trimmed off a little bit on the sides. Oh yeah, I think it's right. Pretty close now. See the yellow fence. Yeah. Now look at all that. It's all blown down in there. You see that, Manny? You couldn't drive down. You couldn't drive down there if you tried. First day in camp. I don't know. We're gonna have to review these things to see where, because we can't see the screen that we're taking pictures with. Not as much color as last year, but still looks pretty good. Rained all night. It's probably in the 30s right now. Everything's wet. But here's our little setup. Manny's getting ready. We woke up bright and early around 8:30. It's showing high battery. Manny, I think it's showing high battery, and think I'm videoing you, Manny. This is our little home.
Our new home for
new home for a week. I'm going to try to get up slowly so you guys can see it. That's my little spot. This is our view. I'm going to walk out here. This is what we got to look at. Right out our door. That's the little trail. This is our little house. Walk around here. Little burn pit. A little noisy with the generator back there, but we couldn't get it to work with the cold battery. We had to bring it inside. Leaving camp, headed towards our old camp. Gonna try to film the back trail. I gotta fasten this frickin' seatbelt. Huh?
snip. Thanks.